After the equipment is landed, first check if all parts are intact or missing. Then place all components in order and check for any omissions. Install the auxiliary frame at the rear of the push table. First, remove the original screws from the machine. Then install the screws on the auxiliary frame of the push table in sequence. Install the stripper rack. Loosen the cantilever screw. Unfold the stripper cantilever. Place one end of the stripper into the cantilever cylinder. The other end is combined with the push table. Then tighten the bolts. Install the stripper guide rail baffle. Install the support tube. Connect the support tube accessories and place them at both ends, separately. Then tighten the screws. Install large workbench. First, unscrew the screws on the main body of the countertop. Unified placement. Then combine the countertop with all the screws on the main body, and tighten it. Pay attention during the tightening process. Be sure to keep the two planes horizontal. Installing a small workbench. Push the sliding table to the right. The installation method of the small workbench is the same as that of the large workbench. It is also necessary to level the two planes. Pay attention to the plane of the small workbench. Be sure to be level with the sliding platform plane. Installing the profiling shaft. Remove one screw from the magic shaft before installation, and adjust the other screw to the appropriate position. Then install it on the main body, and adjust it to the appropriate position. Tighten the bolt. Install the profiling seat. Install the guiding ruler for the template seat. Release the handle above the profiling seat. Thread the guiding ruler into the profiling seat. And tighten the upper handle. After installation is completed, check if the film seat is level with the countertop. If it is not horizontal, the upper and lower positions of the membrane shaft can be adjusted. Make it complete horizontal adjustment. After the adjustment is completed, check whether each segment is level. Repeat the previous step if the level is not reached. Installing a workbench ruler. First, remove the reserved screws. Place the small ruler in a suitable position. Just tighten the screws in sequence. Install the large and small saw blade, towing tool holder and pusher. Push the push table to the appropriate position. Place the feeder into the feeder frame. Push the push table to the right to the saw blade. Carefully observe the running direction of the saw blade, and the direction of saw blade serrations. Be sure to turn on the power before changing the saw blade. Check if the saw blade is reversed. The saw blade can only be installed after adjusting to the forward direction of operation. Be sure to see the size clearly when installing the saw blade. Saw blade sawtooth direction. Remove the corresponding tool from the toolbox, locking the saw blade bolt. Install the push table auxiliary handle.